Namaskaram girls. Today we are going to see geometric progress. The sum of the sequence is called geometric series. Okay, sum of the first term, sum of the second term, it is going to the last term. Okay girls, the sum of the sequence of the GP is called geometric series. Okay, here we have to study the three formulas. Sn equal to A into R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. Here the another one formula, Sn equal to A into 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R. Okay, and the last one, Sn equal to A by 1 minus R. When will you use this formula? Girls, yes, the R is greater than 1. See girls, R is greater than 1. We have to use this formula. How do you say girls? Sn equal to A into R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. We know that A is called the first term, R is called the common ratio. How do you find out the common ratio? Yes, second term divided by the first term. Yes. Girls, see the second one, A into 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R. The R is less than 1. R is 1 vida korachirundha in the formula. Okay. Next, Sn equal to A by 1 minus R. The R should be infinite. They didn't give the mention the number of terms. Okay. So minus 1. R is greater than or equal to 1, less than or equal to minus 1. So, otherwise, you have to say R is infinite. Okay, girls. We have to use these two formula in this exercise. Rarely we have to use Sn, the last infinite formula. Okay. See the sum exercise first sum. Find the sum of the first n terms of the GP. Yes, we know the formulas, two formulas, three formulas I said. Which formula we want to use? Let us see. First we want to find out A. From the series, you have to find out A is first term, yes, okay. The common ratio we know that T2 divided by T1. Okay, the second term what here? Minus 3. The first term is yes. This is minus 3 by 5 is the common ratio. We want to check it is a greater or less than 1. Okay. This is negative, always less than 1. Okay. When what is the formula we have to use? Yes, less than 1 means A into 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R. Okay. Here they didn't give the mention n. So n is we don't know, so keep it as n. Okay girls? Sn equal to A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R. This is the formula. Now we have to use. What is the value of A? Yes, 5. 1 minus. What is the value of R here? Yes, minus 3 by 5 power n. We don't know the n, so that keep it as n. Then divided by 1 minus of minus 3 by 5. Okay, in the denominator we have to simplify. How do you simplify girls? 1 minus of minus here, the denominator alone I am simplifying girls. 1 minus of minus 3 by 5 I convert as a plus. Okay, now you have to take a common denominator. Now it is considered as 8 by 5. Now you have to apply Sn equal to 5 into 1 minus of minus 3 by 5 power n divided by, here you are simplifying 8 by 5. Okay, it's going up or the numerators. So 25 divided by 8, 1 minus of minus 3 by 5 power n. The n is odd means here the minus will come. N is even means the minus should be positive. Okay girls, this is the answer for the first sum. See the second one. First one here 256,64 up to n terms. Okay. Now we want to find out the sum of the first n terms. From the series you have to take the first term. Then the common ratio we know that T2 divided by T1. So 64 divided by 256. If you divide you will get 1 by 4. The 1 by 4 is a greater than 1 or less than 1 girls? Yes, fraction is always less than 1. So less than 1 means we know the formula. Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R. R is less than 1. So that we are using 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R. 1 minus R. A is, what is the value of A here? 256. 1 minus 1 by 4 power n divided by 1 minus 1 by 4. Now the denominator you have to simplify. 1 minus 1 by 4 we have to write like this. 4 minus 1 divided by 4 or you have to write 3 by 4. Okay. Now you have to apply 1 minus 1 by 4 power n divided by 3 by 4. Now you have to simplify, otherwise the 4 go to the numerators. So 256 into 4, what is the value of 256 into 4? Yes, 104. 1024 divided by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 4 power n. We can't simplify, girls, so that let it. Okay, that is the answer for second sum. Second sum, find the sum of the first 6 terms of the GP, 5 plus 15 plus 45 up to 6 terms they given. Okay, here the number of terms given, so this is considered as n. So from the series you have to take A, then R, second term divided by first term. So if you divide, you will get 3. 3 is 1 greater than or less than 1, girls. Yes, greater than 1. So we know the formula. Sn is equal to A into R power n minus 1 divided by R power R minus 1. Okay, the denominator R minus 1. The power n is only for R. Okay, girls. Now S6 we want to find out A. What is the value of A? 5. Here are S3 power n. Here 6. The n is given, girls. N is equal to consider as 6. Because they given 6 terms. So 3 power 6 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. Now you have to simplify 5. 3 power 6. So do you know the 3 power 6? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. How many? 3 should be repeated. Yes, 6 times. 729 minus 1 divided by 2. Now 5 by 2 into 728. If you simplify, what is the answer, girls? Yes. If you simplify, and you have to say 1820. You have to divide with the 2 tables. What is the 2 table? 3, 6, 4. Okay. Now the answer is 1820. Third sum, find the first term of the GP whose common ratio is 5. Then whose the sum of first 6 terms is 46,872 given. So you want to find out the first term, girls. Listen, find the first term of the GP whose common ratio is 5. Then sum of the first 6 terms is 46,872. The common ratio is 5. What is the formula? Yes, it is always greater than 1 5s. So that Sn formula is A into R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. Now you have to substitute S6 they given. So S6 is equal to A. What is the value of A? We don't know. So we want to find out the A. Then R. R is 5. Then 6 times number of terms 6 they given. Then minus 1 divided by, what is the value? 5 minus 1 for R. Okay, S6 value you have to substitute 46,872. Now A is A, 5 power 6. What is the value of 5 power 6? The 5 should be repeated 6 times. So you will get 15,625 minus 1 divided by 4. So A, keep it as A, girls. Then only we want to find out the A. Okay, now you have to simplify and A you have to find out. Here 46,872. The 4 should be go to the left hand side. The remaining A. Then what is the value here? 15,624. Now you have to simplify, girls. A is equal to 46,872 into 4 divided by 15,624. You have to simplify, girls, and you have to say the answer. Check your answers. The A is equal to 12. This is, girls, you have to simplify, girls. 15,625, 24 into 46,872. You will get the answer. A value is 12. Okay, that is your part. Fourth sum, find the sum to infinitive of 9 plus 3 plus 1. It is going on infinitive. What is the formula for infinitive? I say yes, Sn equal to A by 1 minus R. This is the formula, girls. Yes, from the series we have to take A is equal to 9, R is equal to second term divided by the first term. What is the answer? Yes, 1 by 3. Okay. Now R is 1 by 3. Now using this formula, S infinite they are asking. S infinite is equal to A. What is the value of A here? Yes, R is the value of 1 by 3. Okay, now we have to simplify 9 divided by 3 minus 1 divided by 3. Yes, 9 the answer for the fourth one, first one. First is some answer. Asking the second one, same like girls. S infinitive they asked. S infinitive formula is A divided by 1 minus R. From this series, we have to take A is equal to 21, R is equal to second term divided by the first term. If you divide with the 7 table, you will get 2 by 3. Okay girls? Now you should apply S infinitive is equal to 21 divided by 1 minus 2 by 3. Yes, our value is, now you have to simplify 21 minus 21 divided by 3 minus 2 divided by 3. Okay, 21 divided by 2 by 3, it's going to the numerator. Sorry girls, 3 minus 2, yes, 1 by 3, it's going to the numerator girls, 3 by 1. Now you should multiply, yes, 63 is the answer for the second sum answer. Okay, that is the important 2 mark girls. See girls, fifth sum, if the first term of an infinite GP, yes, first term of the infinite GP, yes, infinite GP they given, A is 8 and its sum of the infinite, yes, what is they given? Yes, 32 by 3. Okay, the first term of an infinite GP is 8 and let's see, sum of infinite is 32 by 3 given. Find the common ratio. Yes, we know the formula. What is the formula? S infinite, A divided by 1 minus R. S infinite given. So that you have to equate S infinite value. Okay, A is 8 divided by 1 minus R. Now you get a cross multiplication. You will get the R. Okay girls, 1 minus R is equal to 8 into 3 divided by 32. Okay, now 8 is 8. 4 eggs are 1 minus R is equal to 3 by 4. Now we need R. 1 minus R is equal to 3 by 4. We need R. So 1 minus 3 by 4 is equal to R. So the minus R go to the right hand side. Now it should be a common denominator. Take a common denominator. So the R is the value is 1 by 4. Okay girls? Have you understood? Girls, in the example 2.51, very important in GP girls. It should be asked mostly in the 5 mark question. Okay, here 5 plus 5 plus 555. It is not in GP. You have to convert as a GP. Afterwards, use the formula. We are using the formula SN3 formulas. I said now girls. We are using. How do you use? Let us see. Here 5, 100 and 555. These like they will ask any numbers 3 plus 3 here 3 the same like 888 this like it's going on the sum. So I will say the one sum, you have to work out any number and do it. Okay girls, this is very important girls. Okay, first you have to convert as a GP. So first step we have to write like this girls. How do you convert as a GP? Here see, the 5 should be take out. Okay. But now how many 5s? 1 5. 11 5s are here 111. Okay. It is going on the GP. N terms. Okay. This is the second step. Third step, see, here I am going to convert as a GP the 1. How do you, the 1 we need, so that I am taking 10 minus, I need this 1 as convert as a 10, 100, 1000 like this. So that in the sum, I am multiplying by 9 divided by 9. It should not change it. Okay, multiplied by 9 and divided by 9. Here the series is like this. Okay. Then next step, okay girls, the next step the 9 is going inside. Okay. Now 5 by 9 is outside. So 9, 99, here 999, it is going on n times. Have you all understand these steps? The 9 should be inside. Now I am going to split the 9 is base is 10. Okay, 10 minus 1. It is considered as 9. Yes. Here the 2 digits. So base is 100. 100 minus 1. Here the 3 digit. The base is 1000. Okay girls. So like this I am going to split n times. Have you all understand these 2 steps? Only 5 steps you will get 5 marks. Okay girls. Here the 9 should be inside. The outside on 9 is there, divided, multiplied and divided by 9. So the series should not be changed. So our convenient, we have to split the 9 is 10 minus 1, the 99, 100 minus 1. Here the 999, 1000 minus 1, it is going on. Now you have to split the tens and the ones. Okay. Now the next step is 10, hundreds, thousands. It should be in one group. Okay. The positive numbers. Then remaining, what is this? Minus 1. It should be divide minus. You have to take 1, 1, 1. How many? The minus should be take out and the 1 should be inside. Okay, girls? How many times? Here n times. Okay. Now have you all understand the second these steps? The tens one group, the minus ones one group. Okay. The minus I am taking out. Afterwards you have to put. The 1 is repeated n times. How do you say? Yes. The 1 is repeated how many n times? N you have to write. The next step, 5 by 9 is the outside. 10, 100. This should be a GP. Have you all understand this one? Because 10 should be multiplied. So it is considered as GP minus the 1 is repeated n times. So you have to write this, write it as n. Okay, the 1 is repeated n times. So you have to write n. Okay, girls. Now it should be, we have to use the formula Sn. Here the consider as first term and the common ratio is second term divided by the first term. So 10 greater than 1. What formula here? Sn equal to a into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Now Sn equal to, what is the value of a? S10, 10 power n minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1. Here have you all understand? These alone I am going to use the GP formula because it should be multiplied by 10. The 1 is n times repeated, so that we are writing n. Okay. Now 10, simplify 10 by 9 into 10 to the power of n minus 1. Now you have to apply in this the first form. You have to consider this first form. Just the Sn formula you have to apply it in the first form from 1 in the term 5 by 9. What you taken here? 10 divided by 9, 10 to the power of n minus 1 minus n. Have you all understand these steps? Yes, 10 to 1000 these n terms. I am simplifying in the Sn formula. Afterwards I put n. Okay, girls? Here if you multiply or otherwise let it be, it should be answer. If you multiply means what is the answer? The 5 into 10 and the 5 into 9 into 9. So 50 divided by 81. 10 to the power of n minus 1. Another one. 5 into n by 9. Okay, 5n divided by 9. So many of them, this one they will left only if you multiply by the first term alone. So that the answer should be wrong. So if you multiply each both terms, then only it should be correct. Okay, girls? The same like you have to do the homework for here. This is the homework for 8 plus 88 and 888 and do it. Okay, girls? This is for your part to do it and show to me. See, girls, in the sixth sum, 0.4, 0.44 they given. So I am taking 4 is outside. Second step, 4 is taking outside. So 0.1, 0.11, 0.111 it's going on. Now I am going to convert as 1 by 10, 11 by 100, 111 by 1000 it's going on n times. Now the next step, the last sum we saw now, girls, the multiplied by 9 divided by 9, so that the numerator should be multiplied by 9. If the 9 is, you have to split into 2's, so that the 10 minus 1, 99, 100 minus 1, so that I am writing like this. Okay, have you all understand these steps? 9 I am converting. Next you have to split into 2 denominators, 10 by 10 minus 1 by 10. Here also 100 by 100 minus 1 by 100. Okay. Here 2 terms I split out. Then now next you have to divide the 10 by 10, you will get 1. The 100, yes, the ones should be arranged in one set. The remaining you have to arrange in another one set. Okay. Now let's see. Here the 1 is how many times? N times. So we have to write like this n. Okay, girls? Minus. Here you see the denominator is multiplied by 10. It should be converted as a GP. Okay. Now we know the formula. Sn. Here convert 1 by A is equal to 1 by 10. Then R is equal to 1 by 100 divided by 1 by 10. Now, yes, you have to convert as Now the common ratio is 1 by 10, it's less than 1. So that the formula Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R. Here why I am using this formula, because the ratio, common ratio is 1 by 10, less than 1. So I am using this formula. Now Sn equal to A. What is the value of A? Yes, 1 by 10 minus of minus, or the value is 1 by 10 power n divided by 1 minus 1 by 10. Okay. Now you have to simplify in the denominator 1 by 10. Yes, 10 minus 1, 9 by 10 will come. The 9 by 10 is going to the numerator, and the denominator should be reciprocal. 9 by 10 it should be changed to 10 by 9. Okay, this step equals 10 minus 1. So here 9 by 10 will come. Again you have to convert as a denominator 1 by numerator, and the denominator you have to interchange. You have to write like this. Okay. Now you should apply in the form 1. Here the step 1 from 1. Now you have to apply. From 1, what is the from 1 here? Yes, 4 by 9 is the outside. Okay. Remaining is n is out. N is the first term minus of Sn. Now only you find the 10 should be cancelled. 1 by 9 into 1 minus 1 by 10 power n. Okay. Now if you multiply by 4 inside, 4 by 9 inside means 4n divided by 9 minus 4 divided by 81, 1 minus 1 by 10 power 9. Okay, that is the answer. This is very important, some girls. So let us once again see that these steps should be, it's very important. So if you understand these steps, it's go to the further. Okay. The example I thought now girls, the same like in the exercise 333, 333, it's going on n times. Yes, 8 I given, the same like the 3 multiplied by 3. So first step you have to take 3 outside, then 1 will come. Afterwards you have to multiply it and then divided by 9, you will get the same answers for the example. So for example, okay girls, okay.